Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is strictly just gonna be some cooking. I'm joking y'all, I'm gonna be baking, but I'm gonna be making strawberry brownies. So let's go over to the kitchen so I can show y'all what y'all need to make these strawberry brownies. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Alright, so you want to make sure you have a large mixing bowl, and you are going to need the strawberry cake box. This right here I've never tried before, so bear with me y'all. 2 eggs, vanilla, some strawberry. I end up getting strawberry topping because it's very loose, and then I have powdered sugar, vegetable oil, and some milk. I also have all of the measuring pieces that I need here in order to make this. So first I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan that I'm going to be cooking it in with non-stick spray. Alright, so I have my clear glass dish, and I'm going to be spraying it with some of the baking spray. There we go. Alright, so first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up that strawberry cake mix. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in the 2 eggs. Okay, I'm going to be adding in 1/3 cup of the vegetable oil. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm just going to mix this up. Let me just say, it smells really, really good right now. It definitely smells like strawberry. That's all I can say at this moment. Gosh, it smells so good, y'all. I'm still just trying to make sure that I get all of the cake box mixed in, and I don't see anything white. Honestly, you would think that this would be a cake, but I think that we remixed it up a little bit, because on the back of the box it calls for 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and water. So this recipe here will help you to create brownies, and I guess you can use any cake box that you choose to. Like if you chose to do funfetti, then boom, you'll have funfetti brownies. So it's a really great recipe to have to do stuff like this. And I'm glad that mine will have a glaze, because I can't just do strawberry brownies. I don't know, it's weird, it's my first time. So Alright, so I think that I got it the consistency that I want it to. So what I'm going to get ready to do is grab that glass pan and I'm going to get ready to press it into the prepared pan, and we're going to bake it on 350 for 18 to 22 minutes, and we'll let it cool completely. Meanwhile, I'll show you guys how I made the frosting. Alright, so I'm going to bring this over to the table. What I'm going to get ready to do is put it in here and then press it down. That seemed very easy. So now I'm just going to press it down. Okay, so I think this is good. It's gonna go in the oven now. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get ready to make that frosting. In a small bowl, we're gonna whisk together some powdered sugar. Okay, so I'm adding in 3/4 cup of powdered sugar along with the 2 tablespoons of strawberry preserve. I'm using strawberry toppings just because it's what I have. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and whisk this all up together. And it's going to be the frosting, or you can call it glaze, that's going to go on top of the strawberry brownies. When the brownies come out, I will pour this over top of it, but it has to be cooled. And then we will give it a try. Alright, and here are our brownies fresh out the oven after 18 minutes. I'm going to let these cool for about 15 minutes and then we will add the frosting. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes since the brownies came out of the oven. I even let them cool off an extra 5 minutes. So now that it's cooled off and the bottom of the pan is cooled off too, as you see me touching, I'm going to go ahead and put that icing, frosting, whatever you want to call it, on top. And I'm going to give it a try.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I called you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy,
Okay, so I want to give this a taste test. See what it is I actually made and what it tastes like. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. This right here is better than the actual strawberry cake. With the frosting, icing, and the cake the way it tastes. It definitely has a great strawberry taste to it, especially with the icing having the strawberry like topping in top. I mean, in and on top. Amazing. Y'all gotta go try this. All you need is a couple simple ingredients. I hope that you all do try it. And let me know in the comment section down below if you do. And also, please be sure to hit the thumbs up on the way out. And consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.